Hi, it's Peter with Ideal Energy. Today we're going to show you how to navigate the basic functions of your Rheem Econet Thermostat. There are quite a few things happening on the home screen, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on the system mode function on the bottom right of the screen, which is these three curved lines on top of each other that will allow you to quickly change the operating mode. To access the different modes, you want to touch that button. This will bring up a screen that you see that says select a mode, and on there you'll see 5 different modes: auto, heat, cool, fan, and off. If you have a heat pump, you will also see something that says e-heat, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. Let's start with auto. This activates the heating or cooling system as required to keep your home within the configured range of the set temperature points. Select the desired set point and use the large adjustment button to the desired temperature. So for cooling, you're going to hit the button on the right, which will turn blue, and you can adjust the temperature from there. For heating, you hit the bottom left button, which will go red, and you can adjust down or up with the plus or minus button. The current temperature that's set will be in the middle of the screen, and it'll be temporarily replaced by the set point in a large font like this. Please note that the default deadband, or the separation between the heating and cooling, is set to 2 degrees, so you should always have 2 degrees within these temperatures down below. Let's look at heat. This turns on heating when the current temperature drops below your set point temperature. When there's an active call for heating, the words "heating to" will appear above the heating set point. This will be on your home screen when it's set to heating. Let's go back in and have a look at cool. This turns on cooling when the current temperature rises above your set point temperature. When there's an active call for cooling, the words "cooling to" will appear above the cooling set point. Now, we mentioned earlier that if you have a heat pump, you will see in here e-heat, which stands for emergency heat. Please note that this is for heat pump systems only. The emergency heat option is a manual setting, not an automatic function initiated by the heat pump thermostat. The purpose of the emergency heat setting is to bring the backup heat source online immediately to deliver 100% of the home's heating demand while simultaneously locking out the heat pump. Let's look at the next option, fan only. While in this mode, the heating cooling equipment is turned off. Use the plus or minus to adjust. Right now it's set in low. If you hit the plus, it goes to medium low. Hit it again, medium, medium high, and high. Fan only is a manual override of a set schedule. If a set schedule is being followed, the fan speed will return to the scheduled fan speed when you reactivate the heating and cooling equipment. You can set continuous fan when in heating, cooling, or auto mode from the settings screen. The last mode we're looking at is off. This sets your system to not actively heat or cool your home. And that's all for today. For all your mode settings, thanks for watching.